Hello everybody, welcome to a new today's video. I will show you the 10 world's largest container ships in 2019 and the capacity of each one. The first place we have OOCL Hong Kong. She is the first ship ever to cross the 21,000 TEU mark with a length of 399.87 with a breadth of 58.8 meter and depth reached to 2.5 meter. It is the largest container ship ever built. Number 2, COSCO Shipping Universe, with a carrying capacity of 21,237 TEU. She is the largest cargo ship in China. She had a length of 400 meters and 85.6 meters wide, built in 2018. 3. CMA Antiine Descent Exupery, with a carrying capacity 20,954 TEU. She is the largest container ship to sail under the French flag. It is 400 meters long and 59 meters wide. Number 4, Madrid Maersk, with a capacity of 20,568 TEU. Madrid Maersk measure about 399 meters in length and 58.8 meters in breadth. Number 5, Ever Golding, having a length of 400 meters and breadth of 58.8 meters and carrying capacity of 20,000 TEU. Number 6, Tirumph, with a length of 400 meters and breadth of 58.5 meters. She carry about 20,182 TEU. Number 7, Tirumph, with a length of 400 meters and breadth of 58.5 with a carrying capacity 20,170 TEU. Number 8, COSCO Shipping Taurus, with a length of 399.8 meters and breadth of 58.7 meters and carrying capacity of 20,119 TEU. Number 9, motor vessel Barzan, with a length of 400 meters. She has a carrying capacity of 18,800 TEU. Number 10 and last one at today's list, motor vessel MSC Diana, with a length of 399.9 meters and breadth about 58.8 meters. She has a carrying capacity of 90,462 TEU. Hope that you enjoyed that video. See you soon in another video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.